Hey, this is Dave from houseparents.com. Today we're going to show you how to install a Bosch dishwasher. This is an 800 series dishwasher. They make a 100 series, 300 series, 500 series, and 800. And they have a lot of similarities. And even the Bosch dishwashers, this is a really nice dishwasher, and it has some special features that make hookup even better. As well as some leak detection equipment that added to the dishwasher to make it even a little bit safer for your home. We'll cover all that as we get on, but let's go ahead and get started installing this dishwasher. That's just the shipping slot. We'll pull that out of the styrofoam base. The top piece of cardboard is a nice piece to use when you get ready to slide it in so you don't mar the floor, but they ship this to you on a styrofoam base, which is really nice as far as protecting your floor goes. That black clip right there, we'll use this black clip. We're going to use this to hang the hose just as it's hung there, only we're going to reattach this inside the cabinet. Here's a bunch of miscellaneous stuff you get inside the dishwasher. Those are mounting clips. We use those to secure the dishwasher to the cabinet. And then you have this. This is the electrical supply that they give you. And this gets easier and easier. This is this dishwasher, that's going to plug into the dishwasher itself, and this just plugs into the outlet, which speeds things along. But that means you have to have an outlet box under your cabinet. That's the typical dishwasher connection kit. It's a 5-foot length of 3/8 inch hose, and then it comes with an elbow and some other fittings. We're Amazon affiliates. We'll have a link in the description below if you need a connection kit. You can get it right there. The dishwasher bottom is completely flat, and that tray functions as a catch basin of sorts, and if the dishwasher itself detects any leaks, it'll turn off. So it's a pretty interesting design.
Hey, Max. Hello.
This is the back of the dishwasher. As you're looking at the dishwasher from the front, this would be the right side, and that's where our connections are going to be going through. There's 2 safety straps or support straps, one on each side. And so this drain hose is going through the one on the left side as you look at it from the front, and we need to move all of those to the right side because our hookup cabinet in which we're going to hook everything up in is at the right. And then here in the back is the drain hose. Drain hose coming out of the dishwasher, and right back there is where we're going to make our connection with our elbow. We have to connect it back there. On the far right side, looking at it from the front, is our plug connection. They supply you with an outlet plug. This just plugs in, so no need to wire it there. And then, of course, the other end of the plug has your standard outlet adapter, so it's just going to plug into the wall, which is really convenient.
Best demonstrates the inconsistency of this
All you do is put all those hoses together and then fasten the support strap. Once that strap is put in place, then all those hoses will stay in that position. They won't get kinked in any way or pushed underneath, pushed into a position where it might hurt them. These are the supports. Because our countertop is laminate, we'll screw it into the bottom side of the laminate countertop. There's the hanging bracket. We just had to go ahead and cut that, take the top part of that off. Then we were able to mount it into the cabinet itself to hold the hoses. As you can see, the old floor underneath the old dishwasher is lower than the existing floor, the wood parquet floor. So we had to go ahead and turn the feet. There's 1 foot in the back of the dishwasher in the center, and we had to extend that down to make up for the difference in the flooring levels. They're a little bit tight, but you know, they can be turned. And there you can see we've got the foot protruding down from the bottom of the back of the dishwasher to make up for that difference in flooring. The other 2 front feet are just staying where they are. They could just stay in a flat position. Once the feet are in the right positions, we can go ahead and start getting ready to push the dishwasher back into the cabinet. We'll first run the hoses and the electrical into the cabinet, and we'll be ready to make our final connections. As we push the dishwasher into the cabinet, we have to pull both hoses and the electrical at the same time so that they don't get bound up behind the dishwasher. And then connect the main water line. Again, tight but not too tight. And then once we get that connected, we're going to go ahead and turn the water on and make sure that there is no leak in the back of the dishwasher itself. Once we know that that water line is good, we can go ahead and push the dishwasher into its final spot. The final connection is the drain hose for the dishwasher. It connects to the Y at the sink drain. If you had a garbage disposal, you would also have a Y connected to it, a Y fitting, and it would get connected to the garbage disposal. It's real important when you mount that drain hose that it gets mounted at least 33 inches high off the floor and below 43 inches so that that hose drains properly. There you see we went ahead and mounted the support clips to underneath the countertop there, and that secures the dishwasher from moving. And then all we have to do is go ahead and plug in the dishwasher, and all the connections are good. You can see there where we've turned the dishwasher on. This one is only 40 decibels. It's rated at 40 decibels, which is whisper quiet. And Bosch has a nice little feature there where they have a red light that shines on the floor when it's operating, and that way you know it's running. They're literally that quiet. Hope this video helps. If you've got any questions, drop us a line. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. We've got lots of videos coming. We want you to see them all. Be sure and ring that bell. Thanks a lot for viewing, and we'll see you next time.